Hi there, my name is Simon and welcome to juicers.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at Hurom's latest juicer release for 2023. Following the expected pattern, it's called the H400. And, as you might assume, it takes a lot from its predecessor, the H300, while refining certain elements to achieve better results and an even stronger user experience. So let's see how it has turned out and what improvements it has to offer. Now, as has been the case for almost all Hurom juicers released in recent years, the H400 is another self-feeding juicer. This means that it can get to work extracting juice without the need for any manual assistance, save for filling the hopper container with ingredients. At its core, this self-feeding technology lines up very closely with older Hurom models, offering a vastly more convenient process that is not only faster, but requires far less commitment from a user. It also allows the mechanism to achieve far more consistent results, as the cutting blade in the hopper container cuts down all ingredients into suitably sized chunks, ensuring optimal yield extraction every time. Working alongside the self-feeding technology, the H400 also makes use of Hurom's unique multi-screw juicing mechanism. This mechanism has been previously seen in both the H300 and H310, but the version in the H400 has been upgraded over each of them. This latest version is quite a bit larger than both previous variants, giving it a greater surface area. The filtering slits are also finer, allowing for the H400 to produce a very smooth juice with minimal pulp content. However, beyond just being good at juicing, the true advantage of the multi-screw mechanism lies in its simplicity. Where most juicers have 4 to 5 parts in their core juicing mechanism, the multi-screw mechanism has 2. Not only does this make it incredibly easy and simple to clean and assemble, but it also decreases the risk of one of the parts being damaged. Plus, if all that wasn't enough, it can also be used to make sorbets and ice cream. No other parts or accessories needed, just the standard components and some frozen ingredients. Rounding out the package, the H400 also offers up the expected array of accessories, with a pusher, cleaning brush, juice cup and pulp container, the latter of which is inbuilt into the body. It also features some tweaks to the juicing bowl in the form of hinged sections that can be opened up by releasing a latch, improving access for thorough cleaning. So, in terms of features, it would be fair to say that the H400 is very impressive. But do they translate into a good juicing process and high quality juice extraction? Well, to put it simply, we'd have to say yes, they do. First off, the process as a whole is quick. This has always been the case with self-feeding models, as they feed ingredients at an optimal rate, which remains true for the H400. However, it is also aided by the increased size of the multi-screw mechanism and the resulting larger surface area. This, in turn, improves the overall efficiency, as ingredients receive more contact time with the multi-screw. Yet, it can also process more chunks at once, allowing it to extract great yields while shortening the total processing time. Beyond being quick, we also found the quality of the juice extracted by the H400 to be top tier. All the juices we produced in our testing had a strong and vibrant colour, with minimal pulp content. The yield extraction was also very high, with well-pressed pulp across a wide range of ingredients. As a result, the H400 is suitable for use with most types of produce, from very soft ingredients such as oranges or berries, to fibrous ingredients such as celery or leafy greens. Lastly, as we already mentioned, the H400 isn't limited purely to juicing. So, if you want to mix things up, it's also capable of producing nut milk or sorbet and ice cream. Of course, as important as juicing performance is, a great juicer also offers a sublime user experience. Unsurprisingly, the Hurom H400, much like its predecessors, does that incredibly well. For starters, the juicing process itself requires an astoundingly small amount of effort. Since the hopper container has a blade, it can cut down whole ingredients itself. Thus, the H400 requires no ingredient preparation. And the self-feeding technology removes the need for any manual feeding. Plus, as a nice added perk, it's quieter than any other juicer we've used to date. If that wasn't enough, the H400 is also ridiculously easy to clean. Hurom have been making easy to clean juicers for years now. But the multi-screw mechanism takes the cake. The auger can be split into two, making it easy to rinse away any remaining pulp with no scrubbing required. Then that just leaves the hopper container and juicing bowl, both of which can be easily rinsed out with minimal effort. Plus, if you want to deep clean the bowl, that's also really easy thanks to the latched access to both the juice and pulp outlets. Finally, it should go without saying that so few parts make for a very slick assembly process. The auger simply sits in the juicing bowl, and the hopper container is locked on top with a twist. Place them on the base, and it's ready to go. Last but not least, let's quickly assess the build quality of the H400. Hurom are generally regarded as one of the best manufacturers when it comes to quality, and it's little surprise that their new flagship meets their usual standard. The parts are all made of premium plastics, including Triton and GE Ultim. These are both well known for their durability and resistance to damage, making them the ideal choice for juicing parts that have to endure high pressure environments. They also have the advantage of being entirely BPA free. As a result, the H400 is food safe and won't leach chemicals into any juice it extracts. Beyond the quality of materials in use, the parts have also been made to a high standard. They have each been finished well and have very few visible marks from the manufacturing process. Such levels of attention to detail can also be seen elsewhere, from the array of small but important silicon seals to the assembly alignment indicators. Stepping back, we also have to compliment the overall design of the H400. Sleek and modern, it is available in black, grey and white, and can blend in very naturally with other appliances on a countertop. Fortunately, it is also very compact, so keeping it on display is possible, and unlike other juicers, it doesn't need any additional space for containers, as juice can be poured straight into a glass. So, on balance, we'd have to say that the Hurom H400 is a rather exceptional juicer, and it genuinely offers a significant upgrade over all of its predecessors, with notable improvements to juice quality, consistency, ingredient versatility, and overall speed. When that's combined with an exceptional user experience, sharp design, and great build quality, it makes it tough to imagine how Hurom are going to beat this one in the future. Even nitpicking, we genuinely have nothing bad to say about the H400. Of course, as with most Hurom flagships, it's not the cheapest juicer out there, but it's also far from the most expensive, and at the end of the day, quality is worth paying for, and this is a model designed to last. So, if you want to either start juicing or upgrade your current model, the Hurom H400 is a great direction to go, especially if you want high quality results for very little effort. As always, thank you for joining us, and we hope that you found this review useful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like, and we'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. For more content like this, be sure to check out our channel and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest releases. Be sure to have a lovely day, and we'll catch you next time.